To begin the day, I'm heading downstairs to get some fresh air. Whether it's cool or warm, I just find I feel a bit more alive when I start the day outside. I've been maintaining a practice of gratitude since last summer. This one my siblings got for me for Christmas, but even before that, I would just write 3 things I'm grateful for every day in the back of an old journal. It has been something that I look forward to every single day. It sort of pulls out happiness even on a hard day. Stretching and a little bit of yoga in the morning is so soothing for me. Even just a few sun salutations really help to wake up my body. As well as belly breathing. I find I hold a lot of stress in my chest. I'll lie on my back and isolate my breathing to expand up and down through my belly just to try and give my diaphragm a break. It's also really good for digestion. I've been trying to take advantage of the sun this spring, making sure to get at least 10 minutes of natural vitamin D every day if I can. Read a bit of my book or listen to a podcast. It's some quality self-care time for me. At some point in the day, I'll get a workout in. It feels so good to get the blood pumping, to work up a bit of sweat and just feel my heartbeat, especially when I have nowhere to be. Sitting down for too long definitely gets me a little stir crazy. I've actually compiled a list of ideas to try when you're home with nothing to do. Reading improves my mental health as well as expanding my knowledge page by page. Also, it gets my imagination going. I kind of get lost in another world for a few hours, and that's always a nice feeling. Writing, drawing, and painting can get my creative blood flowing as well. The beauty of it is you don't have to be a professional, and you can just start and see where your mind takes you. Blast your favorite music and dance like you're Cameron Diaz off a holiday. Redo your wardrobe or design a space in your home with a vision board. I created a document and just added pictures from Pinterest here. This is a perfect time for spring cleaning. Go through your clothes, your kitchen, your whole entire house, reorganize, and then just trash the junk. Make a bucket list for what you hope to do later this year, or when you're older, or just what you hope to accomplish one day. Try out a new hair care, skincare, self-care makeup routine. I'm always inspired by Vogue's beauty secrets. Build a blanket fort or put up a tent in your living room. Make it the hangout spot. Lay out in the sun, but imagine you're at the beach. You can play ocean sounds and even make yourself a tropical drink to make it a little resort style. Start a video journal, documenting your thoughts, opinions, and what's been going on in your world. Have a pamper day with face masks, have a beauty cleanse, a little mani-pedi, a nice long bath with candles, and just chill out for the entire day as if you're on vacation in Bora Bora. Take up a new skill like meditation, learn how to do the splits, try out cold showers, acro yoga, handstands, a cartwheel, Rubik's Cube, any practice you can focus on a day-to-day basis. Cook a fancy dinner, but do it restaurant style, where you make menus, you decorate the dinner table, you make it a whole experience for yourself and your family and friends. You could try out a new recipe, like bullet coffee, or make a pizza from scratch, or even make homemade jam. Create a game for around the house, like a relay race, or have a pillow fight, war, or a Nerf gun fight with the family. Make a new music playlist. For me, it typically starts with one song or one artist, and then I get an idea of the vibe I want to build off of, and then I'll spend all day just listening to recommended songs and artists and what my friends are listening to as I go about my normal day. By the end of it, if I'm dancing, then I know it's a good, solid playlist. House hunt online. Dream about where you want to live one day. Message or FaceTime a different person each day to let them know that you're thinking of them. Grab your nearest inanimate object because it is time for karaoke. To end the day, we'll normally wind down with a TV show or a movie. Recently, Jeff has gotten me into Avatar, The Last Airbender, and I've also been watching Love Island UK Season 6. But it's a really good time to dive into movies. You could watch an entire series, Harry Potter, or have a themed week like 80s this week and romantic comedies next week, and then Disney movies 3 weeks from now. You can even end the day with a little dinner date via FaceTime with your best friend or your crush or your family. I hope you're all safe and cozy at home. Look out for one another. And thank you for watching.
You think you're any different from me or your friends or this tree? If you listen hard enough, you can hear every living thing breathing together. You can feel everything growing. We are all living together, even if most folks don't act like it. We all have the same roots, and we are all branches of the same tree.